But in this video, I'm going to show you the AI features within Flexclip for audio. So if you go to Subtitle, there is a Subtitle to Speech AI function, which basically reads out the text for the subtitles. There's different languages here. You can pick the language that you want, and then once you've picked the language, entered English Australia, so we'll have an Australian voice. Got the voice here, Natasha, different type of voice, male or female. So we'll just pick Neil, for example. Okay, then you can hear it, select the speed and the pitch. You can just preview it, and then if you're happy with everything, you can add it to the timeline. So once you've added it to the timeline, you'll see it at the bottom here. Just let the AI do its thing. So now it's been added, different sections here, so you can also download it if you wanted to, but these are the parts with audio. Now the other feature is if you go to media, there is the AI speech to text. You can once again choose the language. It's very similar to the subtitle, but in this case you can actually add your own text here. So hello everyone, tech speech, as you can see here, there's 1000 character limit. So you can preview it, play it again, so save it too. So those are the two features that are available for audio. So you've got the text to speech and the subtitle feature, which are very similar with each other, and you can just play around with those and add it to your timeline, or you can actually save it to as a file. So if you've got a document that you want to convert from text to the speech, you can possibly use this feature and you can listen to it instead of just reading it. Just keep in mind the 1000 character limit, and that's it. I hope this video helped you in some way. If it did, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so that you can receive new videos when I publish them. I'll see you next time.